What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE. Welcome to the AUDIOZONE channel, man. We finished one project. We're about to jump on another one. Want to bring you a very special video today, man. If we get to do a different kind of project. I know y'all see a lot of Mopars on here, but we do work on everything, and I didn't really bring everything to y'all, but I think it's a perfect opportunity for y'all to see what we actually could do. The previous video, y'all saw Red Cloud's car done, and on this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're getting a 2022 Chevrolet Corvette, which is the C8 model Corvette, and we're gonna be adding Lambo doors to this car, y'all. So right now we're talking about disassembling and getting the car. We just put our whole plan together of how we're gonna attack this car, and we're going to get it going, y'all. So let me introduce you to the car. This is the Corvette. It's a 2022 C8 Corvette with the 4Gs. It's a very beautiful car. Black and black. I mean, it's just a gorgeous car here, man, that he brought us. And now we're going to be taking it apart to get the Lambo door install done on this beautiful Corvette. So to start the process of this vehicle, Josh, walk us through what we have to do.
You gotta take the whole front end apart. So
we gotta take off the fenders, the bumper, and all the inserts inside to be able to get to the fenders and stuff. That correct?
That's right. Where's the motor?
Oh, well, you didn't know about the C8s. They actually moved the motor right to the back. This is a new mid-engine Corvette, man. So the motor is back here on this car. I drove REELTOREAL's car, man. Josh, it's a different experience. It's an amazing car. But let's not even talk about how amazing the car is. Let's talk about how amazing the job is that we're about to do on this car. What do you think, Josh?
About to knock it out the park.
What you think? You think we're gonna knock it out, Gordon? Do you think we're good enough to do it, man? Yeah. Say, this is AUDIOZONE, baby. Come on, can you say that, Gordon, on camera? Cause this is AUDIOZONE, baby.
It's AUDIOZONE, baby.
No, I want some more. I need some more. You gotta show that. Do you love this shop?
Yeah, I do.
Cause they say, this is AUDIOZONE, baby.
Too tired for this.
Josh, you know what? Let me see you do it.
It's AUDIOZONE, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Gordon, can you come and tell everybody on camera? I'm not gonna stop till you do it, so you have to do it. This is AUDIOZONE, baby.
It's AUDIOZONE, baby.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. This is AUDIOZONE, baby. You know what? Home of the impossible, man. Stay tuned, because we'll be doing a lot of other builds. We're getting into the performance world of cars, man. We'll be doing pulleys, headers, exhaust, cold air intakes, and the team, we just had a meeting this morning. They're all about it, man. So we're gonna be expanding our business into performance and serving you guys with much more. But back to this video. Josh, so what are we doing right now? Again, we've seen another process, but right now we're doing, guys, we're getting all the areas marked up on the car to make sure we come back, we have a perfect alignment. So we put the tape and then we slice in the middle like you see I'm doing there. So then when we put everything together, again, we know that everything's aligning. So Josh is actually marking all the parts across the car. We have to move the bumpers, move the fenders. So we have all the marks to give us a reference point to what we have to do here. We're also gonna do the same thing on the doors. We're gonna do other areas on the doors, so we make sure that when they come back together again, everything's exactly the same as it was, y'all. So right now we're gonna begin the process of the C8 Corvette and get it apart to start getting these Lambo doors in, man. So you know what? This is part of the process. You have to trust the process. Some people be scared to do this, man, but you know what? This is what we do, so stay tuned. Y'all, so we just removed all the plastics, as y'all saw in the time lapse. But this right now we're gonna do, we're getting in here so we can start moving the fenders and start getting into this build here, all right? So this is exactly where we're at right now, to start moving the fenders and start getting this car put together again. That's bad, that's what I'm talking about. Right now we just removed all the bolts here, here, and here, getting this across. He's doing the side skirt, get the bolts out of there, bolts out of there, bolts to the bottom, remove the bumper to start getting to the door. Okay, Cruz, so at this point in time, all the bolts have been removed from here, from there, underneath here, the side skirts, and there's some inside here, right, 2J? So we took all the sides to get to the panels, and now we got this all situated here. So now we have to remove that bumper. Cruz, we got all the bolts assembled everywhere on this vehicle. Now we're actually gonna do a crazy thing, and that's remove the bumper from the car. And which are gonna give us access to everything we need to remove the fenders to be able to get to the doors and do the inside. So right now we're actually gonna be taking this apart. All the bolts are off. You guys gotta be very careful though on these Corvettes. Dino, we're on camera. Look, so these you gotta be careful. There's some clips in here. You gotta kind of just pull on it and tug. But be very careful. You gotta kind of tug and play with it, and you will have a release just very carefully. Just take your time, and that comes off. Same thing happens over here. And now that can be released. Ah! They gave it to me! No. Yes, sir. There's a wire harness here. There's another wire harness here. the light there to see this clip here. The cameraman just slid it to me. Okay, I got the clip off. And they see this on YouTube and they think it's easy. I got the clip. Can't get the plug off. You? Yeah. Give it to the master. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it for a long time, but the new generation is better than the old generation. They kind of get surpassed it. So, plus, I don't want to dirty my nails. I'm playing. The bumper is off now. Bumper is off, y'all. Now we're gonna continue to the fenders. T. Tony Snow in the building. What you want to tell the camera today, man?
I'd like to say hello. Hi, and greetings to you.
Greetings to you, fair child.
To you, yes.
Do talk like an Asian dude.
Like who?
Like an Asian.
Oh
God. Anyway, y'all, look. Bumpers removed on the car. Now we're gonna take off the fenders to be able to get it, but everything here is done on this car to now start removing the fenders to get to the bracket that we need to put the Lambo doors on the C8 Corvette. Tony's in the building, man. If y'all don't know, this is my bro, literally my brother. But right now, we're back to business. Corvette, fenders off, get it out, so we can get this car completed and get paid, just saying. So now we're removing the bolts here on the side of the fender well. Yeah, we got a tray to put all the screws on, yo. And yo, we got members. Tony, Gordo, and Gallo. Yeah, I'm telling my dad we got a monster up on cars, y'all. All right, now the removal. What do you call that? So now we're gonna remove the headlight from the vehicle. That's gonna give us access to some bolts that are back here on the other side and be able to start removing the fender. So I'm just giving y'all a little step by step of what we're doing, y'all, to get to this, but the headlight's gonna be coming out now to be able to get to the bolts, and I'll show y'all right now what we're talking about. So let me remove the headlight. So remove all the screws from here, from here, from here. Like a 10 millimeter that goes from the bottom up down there in the headlight, which she's gonna remove right now. And that's gonna give us access to remove the headlight from the vehicle and allow us to be able to get to the screws behind the fender. That can allow us to be able to take off the fender to continue the process. So he can remove that real quick, y'all. So this long monster is what we're going from the bottom up to stop that light from coming out. So now we can actually get this light and remove it out from the vehicle. So there's a bolt on the bottom down there that gets removed to be able to remove this plastic and scratch yourself on the process. I think another one right here. No, it just pops out. It's just tabs. But you're gonna be getting that out now to get the fender off, y'all. So right now we're gonna get all the accessories off, to remove the bolts that are inside the liner, and that can allow us to be able to get to the bolts that we need to get the fender off and start the Lambo door process. So right now, y'all, we got this seat with the bolt in the bottom, this clips here. Now we have 3 screws that are gonna come out of here that allow us to be able to remove this fender from the vehicle. If you can see closely here, look, there's some bolts right there, bolt right there, bolt right there. Well, actually, you gotta take off this to get to the bolt there, but yeah, that comes off, and we'll have this fender off in this C8 Corvette. Oh, y'all, so in here, there's 2 bolts going this way. On the bottom, there's 2 bolts going down, and then there's 1 more right here. And we should be able to remove this fender from this car, y'all. Let's see.
Oh wow, that's the metal? What?
Huh? Bro, this is the lightest fender I've ever seen in my life. The lightest fender I've ever seen in my life, y'all. But, fender's gone. Same thing on the other side. Start with the Lambo door install. So let me give you an update because I got a little busy and I wasn't able to get the whole vlog for you guys, but we got the Lambo door kit in there. Some cutting you have to do right here in this metal to be able to allow this to sit inside. Modifying of the harness, which I'll show you now. But on the C8 Corvette, doors out, door up, all right? And now that we're in here, I'm gonna tell y'all something. There's this bolt that's right here. This is what adjusts your door for when it comes down, how far is it gonna sag. That's the stopper, we call it. So it hits here, and when you bring the door down, you'll see there, it actually stops the door in a position and allows you to just close the door. But this is already installed on this car. The harness, let me show y'all that. This is the harness, so we have to modify the boot down here, right here, to be able to do what we have to do to make it all here and extend the wires out. That's pretty much the Lambo door on this side. I'm gonna repeat the same phase on the other side and get this car back together and get it to the customer and get the reveal, y'all. So, you know, I'm gonna get cracking and doing it and getting it going. Everybody's busy in the shop. A lot of cars in here right now. That's my baby waiting for parts, but everything else is here. We still got some outside, but this is kind of what goes on here at AUDIOZONE. So I'm gonna get to work on the other doors and get this car signed, sealed, and delivered. Stay tuned. All right, crew, so coming to the finale of this beautiful Corvette, man. Josh is giving us a little wipe down because the customer's gonna be picking it up, so he's getting all situated. But I want everybody to see, you know, they got a song out there that says, everybody's hands go up, and they stay there, and they stay there. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about, Yako. Right now, the doors in the Vette are gonna come out and go up. Check that out, y'all. Check it out. And they stay there. Look, they stay there. They stay right there. Josh, show them the other one going up. Open up the other leg. Open up her legs and put them up in the air. Boom. Check that out, y'all. But let me just give y'all some insight. So, everything's nice, clean, perfect. Both sides. Josh really rolled on this one with me, but he ended up taking the majority of it. But at this point in time, and I hate the fan noise for y'all, but I'm just showing y'all we put the blocks back in to cover the holes. Everything there is 100%. It's giving it a wipe down real quick to get it delivered to the customer. Beautiful C8 coming out the door for this customer. Then, look, down, boom, it stops. You can still come in the car if you want to. See what I'm saying? Let me do this better for y'all. I can still come in the car with the door down. I could definitely come in with the door up. Put doors down, just push it down, and just let it slide in. Door is closed. Josh, difficult or not difficult?
Do not attempt on your own.
Yeah, just because you've seen it on YouTube and it looks easy, this is one of those do not try at home cases, y'all. But you know what, the customer should be coming to pick it up very shortly, and we'll get you the reaction from the customer. Stay tuned. We got Mr. I'm gonna put his name out there, man, but it's Mr. J. Mr. J is the owner of the C8. So how long have you owned that car, Jay?
Girl, man.
How much you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Are you married or you single?
I'm married.
You're married.
Yeah.
Your wife better not find his YouTube channel, because I can tell you one thing. If y'all don't know one of the things about the Vette, they don't come with an antenna for a reason. You know why they don't come with an antenna that sticks out? Because when you park places, the girl want to leave the pantyhose hanging on that antenna, so they got no place to do that, man. You know what I'm saying? But Jermaine, how long you been married, man?
Shit, man, 10 years.
And your girl gave you permission to have that?
Yeah, man. I mean, I have to give myself permission.
No. But you know what, Jay? The car's done. In fact, I'm gonna let you just peep it back here real quick. Come on, Jay.
Buy the car first and eggs later.
Yeah, you know, my dad is the king of that. He says it's. What do you say when you're gonna buy something with the wife?
It's better to
Ask for
forgiveness.
their permission.
That permission.
Because if you ask for permission, your girl can always tell you no. But Jay, let me just walk. Actually, bring it up front. Come on, Jay.
I'm from the South Carolina and got mine.
You didn't tell your wifey nothing, huh? Until you came back. You know, when I bought the Viper, I did the same thing. I lost my wife for a month, but it was all worth it at the end. So we got Jay gonna be picking up his vehicle right now. I just showed him a little sneak peek, but I'm gonna have him go ahead and take care of this. Pick up his beautiful car, man. It's a Vette, so you have a little history. When Real bought his orange Vette, he came and dropped it off to me for 2 days because my wife's been looking for a car. Let me get over here sideways. She's been looking for a car because she got rid of her Hellcat. The mileage went up and the value was high, so she got rid of it. And everything she drives is too slow. Every luxury car. So when Real got that one, he dropped it off to me. We went for a ride. And it's everything she wanted. It's luxury and it's got the power when you need it. So stay tuned, because AUDIOZONE could be having a Vette really soon. She's been searching for a white one. She wants a 3LT. She wants a C51. Yeah, she ain't slacking off on that. And she hasn't found a one, but you're gonna see it soon. So the Vette's a beautiful platform. I used to own them. I went to the Dodge for a little while. I think I'm going back to Vette, but anyway, that's beside for y'all. Let me go ahead and get Jermaine's car delivered to him and show you what he think about his baby. So all right, Jay, Josh, slam the doors up. Jay, you're gonna be looking clean as hell when you get out of there now. You pull it out, and just slide it up. And your doors stay up. And the same thing over here. Just open up the door. Now you still have easy access, you can still go in if you want to. But when you want, you can bring your door kit up. My question to you is, what are you thinking right now? How do you feel about seeing your baby?
I love it.
You loved it before, do you love it more now?
Man, I love it. Wait.
What's the next thing I'm gonna do to this vet? Because I got a lot of ideas.
Man, you gotta tell me, man, because we gonna show do.
Well, I got an idea that I'm not gonna tell you on camera because I don't want y'all to pay attention to the bills, but yes, we got a couple ideas we're doing. Real wants to do a couple ideas on his too, but we definitely have ideas for this one, man. But how'd you hear about us here at the shop?
Man, I just looked y'all up, like who do Lamborghini doors in the hood. I mean, you know.
Well, kind of the hood, you know, Irving kind of the hood, you know what I'm saying? But
not the hood, but you know.
No, I mean, we're pretty safe right now. But that one there got front and rear doors done, that purple one. But you know what, Jay, it was a privilege, man. What do you want to tell the people watching this video today?
Man, y'all make sure y'all come and check out my boy AUDIOZONE, man.
Yes, man.
Good work, man.
We appreciate you dearly, man. We're gonna end this video telling y'all thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless. Jay.